Welcome, YouTube. My name is Winter. If you're watching, sub up, please. Please, I'm begging. Actually, today we will be doing not fast food restaurant tier list. Okay? Okay. Most of these shits I've never been to. NGL. But, you know, sub up, man. Like the video and comment. Tell me what y'all would do instead of my choices. I could really less give a fuck, to be honest. But tell me what you would do. Red Robin. This shit isn't bad. I had it once in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Welcome to the video, YouTube. I ain't gonna lie. I had Red Robin once. It's not that. Wasn't that bad. I'm gonna put a C. I'm gonna put a C. It's not that bad. I had it once. It's pretty damn good. On the border. What the hell is that? Bonefish Grill. I have this near me. I just never cared to try it. Johnny Rocket. What the fuck are these restaurants? Cracker Barrel. Where are we playing Cracker Barrel? Let me know. I'm kind of scared. They pancakes isn't that bad, I guess. I'm taking IHOP over Cracker Barrel. I'm not gonna lie. Cracker Barrel is like a. Never had Cracker Barrel, but what I heard they rate F. Nah, they're not. I've been there. They're not. I give it D. They food is some dick though, but they pancakes are good, so that's what makes it, I guess. What is this? I don't know. Maggianos are Maggianos. This shit is good. I had it once in my life. This shit is pricey as fuck though. It is pricey, but Maggianos, it's a good restaurant. Solid A. Solid A. IHOP. Solid B. Solid B. You can't get mad at IHOP, bro. I hate when niggas say IHOP is dick. IHOP is not dick. IHOP is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. IHOP is pretty damn good. What is this? Pluckers? What is a plucker? IHOP is dick. No, it's not. Yo, I think all y'all IHOPs is dick. The one, the PA IHOP, PA IHOP isn't dick, bro. IHOP is damn good, bro. IHOP is good, bro. What are y'all choosing over IHOP? And don't say Waffle House. Please don't say Waffle House. Maybe if I tried a fucking Waffle House, I would choose it over IHOP. But I don't have a fucking Waffle House near me, gang. I don't. So just for that, you know what? Nah, don't get on my ass. Pluckers. Nah. Nah, where are we actually putting Waffle House? I haven't tried it, but everybody fucking says it's good, so I'm gonna just throw it at A, I guess. I don't either, but every time I'm there when we go to Waffle House, bro, I never been to Waffle House. Like, never once in my life. Pluckers, nope. The Cheesecake Factory. I'm gonna put it A. I'm gonna put it A. I'm gonna put Waffle House at A only because I haven't had it. If I would have had this shit, maybe this shit wouldn't win an S. NGL. NGL. You can't get mad at me at that. You can't get mad at me at that. And everybody I know has it, bro. Or tried it. I just hit the jackpot. Yo, what's with you and saying that shit? The Cheesecake Factory. It's like a C. Red Lobster. Where are we putting Red Lobster? Red Lobster isn't that bad. They biscuits are good. They do got good biscuits. Red Lobster. Winter, you been a real lobster? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know where I'm putting real lobster, bro. Oh Lord, this nigga just sent me an audio message. Never had lobster or red. Alright, I'm putting it at B. I'm gonna be honest. It's not that bad. Del Frisco's. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? What the hell is BJ's? Pause. What are these restaurants, gang? Joe's Crab Shake or Shack. What are we talking about? Applebee's. Can't get mad at me. Oh, Applebee's is pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck? What? Oh. Applebee's is mid-tier B. Yeah, alright, I'll put it, yeah. Applebee's is good, bro. I get the Fiesta Lime Chicken. That shit hit. The next time you go to Applebee's, get this shit. I'm putting you on game. Why did I look at a recipe? Hold on. What the hell? Where the sauce? This shit right here. If it's extra good, if the cheese, if it's extra cheesy, that's how you know what's good. I don't really use the pico, but yeah, bro. I get a spicy chicken sandwich and watch basketball. Yeah, they do got a basketball shit. Applebee's, they got spicy chicken at Applebee's. Oh shit. Did this shit just come out? Bacon Branch? Holy guac. Oh my shit balls. Nah. Next time we get Applebee's, I'm getting that. I don't care. Facts. It's far. Nah, that's great eats. Those great eats. That's amazing eats, actually. Benihana. I never had Benihana a day in my fucking life. So I'm gonna put it at haven't tried. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Man, they need to do better with this shit. Don't know. Ruby Tuesday. That's the first off. Ruby Tuesday is some ass. Had that shit once, never again. Buffalo Wild Wings. Right here. No, she cooked like Benihana, so she throw it down. That's good stems. California Pizza Kitchen. I haven't tried this, and I have it near me, and I just never cared to try it. Yo, I need to expand my palate, bro. I be eating the same shit every day. This tier list is ass. This shit is ass. Like, bro, most of the shit I never had the game. I was just like, fuck it. I wanted to do a tier list. California Pizza Kitchen. I'm gonna just put I haven't tried. Cheddar's. Chili's. That fucking triple dipper. And I don't want to get the name messed up, but when the plate come out, it be fucking sizzling. Nah, I'm looking this shit up. I don't know how to spell it. I'm not good at spelling. This shit right here. Yeah, bro. I put fucking chills. Yo. This shit is good. This shit is fucking good. The only thing is, bro, they don't give you enough tortillas. Facts. Facts. Bro, they give you like 3 tortillas and call it a day. Like, bitch, that ain't enough. I need more. Facts. Chuck E. Cheese. They pizza is good. I don't care. Nah, that's too much. I'll put it at B. Bro, Chuck E. recycled pizza, nigga, and what the fuck? That pizza is good. Nigga, we was eating that shit when we was younger. We wasn't even thinking. But now, I'm not eating that shit now. But Kid Winter, yeah, he was fucking that pizza up. And they wings. I ain't eating some Starry Kid pizza. You did when you probably was younger. Can't even say that, bro. You did. You was probably when you was younger. You was probably eating that shit. That might just started be like that. Denny's. Niggas say chill. That's how you know it's true, bro. No, but when we kids, we don't think. We just eating this shit. My dad was eating this shit. My mom was eating this shit. We was just fucking that piece up. You did when you probably was younger? No, nigga, you did too. Nigga, you went to Chuck E. Cheese, you was eating that shit. Come on. Don't even lie. God can strike you down right now. You was eating that shit. Denny's. Haven't tried that shit. First watch. Yo, what the fuck is this list, bro? I could tell you Denny's. I'll put it at C. Or D. I'll put it at D. I guess it belongs with Cracker Barrel. Golden Corral. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Golden Corral is kind of boof. I'm gonna be honest. Golden Corral is kind of boof. You can look-y go to a Chinese buffet. A Chinese buffet is better than Golden Corral. Facts. Facts. But I put Golden Corral like at D. Yeah. The hell? Yo, what are these places? Hard Rock Cafe. Hooters. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Hooters. My family took me to Hooters, like on my dad's side. I took one of my dad's wings and that shit was ass. Nah, I wasn't ordering nothing from there. I'm gonna be honest. The bitches was mediocre. I mean, it's fucking Hooters. I'm gonna put this shit at F game. Shout out to the workers there. Damn, shout out to the workers though. Holy shit. Dave and Buster's. Not bad eats. Dave and Buster's isn't bad eats. It's like C. It's a good C. Yeah. Longhorn. Longhorn is good eats. This shit belongs out of A. I don't care. Fight me. Longhorn is great eats, bro. Like, bro, they Parmesan crusted chicken. Hit. They mac and cheese with the bacon bits. Even my chair agreeing with me, bro. Mexican Inn. What is Mexican Inn? Olive Garden. I had this shit once. All I had was chicken Alfredo and some breadsticks. I'm gonna be honest, and it wasn't that bad. And some croutons from the salad that I ordered. I'm gonna put it at a C. Liberal. What do you mean? This is my first time going there, bro. What do you mean liberal? Oh my god, bro. This nigga's fucking stimming. He's actually stimming. Stop it, please. Outback. I'll put it at a good D. Did they add this shit twice? They did. Why did they add this shit twice? I ain't gonna lie, you should have stopped at the last one. Nah, fuck it though. Rainforest. What are these restaurants, gang? Texas Roadhouse. I don't go there enough to Rainforest. Bro, I don't know. I think I've been in Texas Roadhouse like once. I didn't like it. I didn't even have none of their butter. So, just because of our butter, it makes it a B? Nah, gang. Nah. Just because of a butter? They butter can't be that good. It's like Raising Cane's then. It's like Raising Cane's. All for a fucking butter. A butter and a sauce. Oh, but the nigga remembers the butter. Nah, I feel it. Alright, TGI Fridays. It's kind of some dick. Twin Peaks. What the hell is a Twin Peaks? That butter was just so fire though. Bro. Nah, hold on. I was about to look up Twin Peaks. Hold on. Texas Roadhouse butter. Can I rub Texas Roadhouse butter? This nigga's a chud. They got a whole bucket of it. Why do you need a whole bucket? It's not that good. It can't be that good.
Look at what we found today. The honey cinnamon butter at Walmart.
We also got the Texas Roadhouse mini roll dupes.
And of course, we're gonna compare it to the real thing.
Go ahead and pop the top on this honey cinnamon butter.
Looks identical.
It's a whole fucking bucket. It can't be that good if it's a whole bucket, gang.
Cool. But we gonna tease y'all.
Not saying it's not that good. Or like it's, but a whole bucket of it. You know how people get like a whole cup of Raising Cane sauce? Like a whole big ass large cup. It's like this shit.
First, Texas Roadhouse. And I'm hungry as hell.
I'm gonna head to the... Come on now.
Patience.
Just for that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the whole roll scooped up in it. Get that thing up in there, baby.
Yeah, I'm scraping that thing, baby.
It can't be that good, bro. Cane sauce ain't nothing to this. Fucking butter. I can't say nothing because it's like, it's some cinnamon shit. It's not regular butter.
Go tell y'all's mamas, y'all's daddies, y'all's pappies, bruh.
That's it. It tastes more fresh.
It's not regular butter. It's cinnamon butter, okay? It's honey cinnamon, I guess.
It's more fluffy than Texas Roadhouse.
Last time we didn't really like the Texas mini rolls from Walmart. So if this honey cinnamon butter makes this better, call the law.
There's no way this butter is that good, bro. Bro, there's no way this butter is that good. Where'd I put that shit at a B? Trust it's a B for the butter? I guess, bro. Outback. I thought I did fucking Outback. Why do they have to... That shit just blew me. Yard House. Fucking C, bro. This the list, bro. Chili's the only one up there, gang. I'm not even mad at that. Because Chili's is fucking great. Worst list of all time. Alright. Yeah, no. This list is some dick. Because, like, bro, look at the shit that I haven't tried. Literally, restaurants I do. Nah, just for this, bro. I'm finna try most of these shits. I would have none of these shits near me, but except for Bonefish Grill, California. Yeah, I think that's it, bro. Nobody has ever eaten food at Plucking Wing Bar. We got to look at their food now. Plucking. That shit didn't even pop up.
People often ask me, bro, why do you eat so many wings? And the truth is, I have a rare condition where my body does not produce enough chicken wings on its own. So I have.
I'm getting mad just looking at this fucking video. Hold on.
Places in Texas.
It's in fucking Texas!
Places in Texas I should gatekeep, but won't. Part 2. Plucker's Wing Bar. Places.
Nah, bro.
I've never been to Pluckers before. But today that changes.
We've got our Pluckers. We're starting off with the fried pickles. I was expecting slices.
Looks like basic ass wings and this shitty humor. Put it in. Nah, I got you, bro. I'll put both. Bro, it shouldn't be that good if they put fucking 2 in there. Like, bro, what's.
The full spear works great. This is, I'm assuming, a ranch. That's a good ranch.
I'm not trusting you. Talking about it's a good ranch. You know why I'm not trusting? No, I'm not even gonna say. Yo, bro. Oh, God. I'm not a good human.
Bananas. I love a fried pickle. Yeah,
Y'all fuck with pickles? I don't fuck with that shit.
man. Oh my God. And the ranch is very sharp. The wings have arrived. We did go bone-in. Before you freak out, we do have the sauces. We're in between meals here, so I didn't want to go crazy, but I did get 5. And we have waffle fries, which they said that everybody loves, featuring.
Hold on, they got waffle fries. Bro definitely has a taste, but I had to start wearing, bro. I'm not joking. Bro, I already got a strike on YouTube, bro. I gotta chill, bro. I gotta chill on the words, bro. Not cause too much, so I gotta chill. Turn it off. He caused some bananas.
Everything I ate at Plucker.
Right,
Everything I ate at Plucker's Wing Bar, one of the most popular wing establishments in Texas. Now I always come.
Alright, this isn't fucking Texas. Yo, we taking that trip to Texas. Bro, why am I laughing? Nah. Texas stick to barbecue.
Come here to watch a game, and yesterday we were here for the NFL draft, and this is one of the heaviest meals I've had in a long time. We started it with the Holy Mac. This is fried macaroni and cheese.
I don't want that bad. That don't look that bad.
You can also get it with a side of chutney and ranch, and I also tossed it in one of their wing flavors. For the main,
no cheese pull. No, that shit boof.
I got 15 wings and 3 different flavors. This includes spicy garlic parmesan, gochujang, which is a Korean barbecue sauce, and Baker's Gold, their most popular wing flavor. My personal ranking goes Baker's Gold, then spicy garlic parmesan, and third is gochujang. I got a sweet potato fry side as well, which are crunchy and toss in cinnamon and sugar, and I ended it with some fried Oreo.
Cinnamon, damn. Cinnamon sugar. Hey, bro, I guess. It looked terrible. It don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. But this the list, bro. This the list. Oh, shit. So what's this book? Is there any other list? Nah, that just took up a lot of time. This shit just took up like dinner 30 minutes. I would eat, but I would rather have Roll House butter. Dang. Is that butter really that good though? Like, I can't even say that because I never had it, but like, bro, niggas overhyping this butter like it's fucking king sauce. Like, and king, bro, Raisin Cane's is so boof. Raisin Cane's is so boof, bro. Next time I go to Texas Roadhouse, I don't know when the fuck that will be. Yo, what do I get from Texas Roadhouse? Now, let me look at the menu. Because I'm picky, bro. This nigga just said butter for the whole fucking menu. Like, don't, no, nigga. Fall off the bone ribs. That shit look dry as fuck. Nigga said butter for their main. Burgers. Alright, bro. Hold on, bro. Y'all be getting steak or nah? I don't really care for that shit. Chicken. Well. All this shit look ass, gang. That's all they got. I only eat steak if I'm making that at home. Nigga, you know how to cook. What the fuck? So niggas just go to... Bro, let me look at their burgers. They gotta have good... Nah, they gotta have a brisket sandwich if it's a pulled pork, right? They don't have no brisket sandwich? This shit is ass. This shit is ass. I'm blown. I'm actually blown. Bro, what? It's only for butter? So niggas just go to Texas Roadhouse and be like, yo, can I get some rolls and butter and dip? That's it. Yes. That shit is kinda sad. I'm not gonna lie. That better be like S tier, bro. If it's that good, that better be like S tier, my nigga. Alright, bro. We on a vid. OG head, Pratty gets busted. The butter is S. Know what? I got you, bro. I got you, bro. It's up there, bro. I got you. Just because of the butter. I got you.